quick video for you today. A lot of small businesses and sole traders often look to get a website. They're not quite sure how a website's going to work for their business, how it's going to help them to generate leads, and to be seen online when people are searching for the services that they offer. Here is a short video to give you some tips that will help you to drive traffic to your website if you have a website, or if you're thinking about building your own website, or if you're thinking about getting someone to build a website for you. That is a service I offer. You can always contact me. I'll make sure I do a great job. But for now, here's a video just for some tips. Number one, your website domain address. This is something that is often overlooked. You don't want to make it too long, okay? You want to have a reasonably short web address, domain name, it's often called. This is going to help the search engine to be able to find your web. They prefer short ones, not like really long ones. So you want to try to keep that as short as possible. That's tip number one. Number two is obviously keywords. You want to make sure that the content on your page is relevant to the service, product, or whatever it is that you're offering, okay? So if you are a plumber, you want to be making sure that you're using keywords relative to that service, like plumbing, piping, leaks, things like that. They're kind of keywords that are going to be relevant to the search engine for that particular category or that particular page. So adding keywords like tradespeople, could be, I don't know, fixing something, house fixing, things like that. You want to stay away from. Keep it specific to the service or whatever you offer. Number three is the alt descriptions for images. If you're putting an image onto your website, you want to make sure that you're including an alt description for it as well, rather than just 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6 JPEG or PNG file. You want it to be descriptive of the image. So if you've got like a plumber fixing a pipe, call the image plumber fixing a pipe. Sometimes what I actually do is, if you're working in an area, say for example if you're working in Newcastle, I will add that into it. So I'll put plumber fixing a pipe in Newcastle .jpeg or .png. That's a really good one. And yeah, so you want to make sure that that is on there as well. Another couple of things to make sure is the structure of your website wants to be in order. So you want to make sure that your headings are in order. If you've got, I don't know, maybe 10 to 20 headings, you want to make sure that they're listed in order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth, in a sequence. This really helps the search engine to scroll through the site to find what's relevant information and pass that through to whoever's searching for whatever service that they're looking for. So that's really going to help the site as well. Another couple of things is making sure that you have the correct tags. I think it's I can never pronounce this. Canonical tags, linking the website to your domain name. You want a sitemap as well, and you want to make sure that if you are making updates on the website, that you're updating the sitemap. That's something that's really important, because it shows the search engine algorithm that your website's active, that it's being updated. It's a bit like a stamp on like a library book. If you see loads of stamps in a library book, you know it's probably a good book. There's a lot of demand for it, and that's what the sitemap essentially is for the search engine algorithm. When the search engine sees a lot of amendments on there, or it's recently updated, it sort of recognises, okay, this is a relevant website for whatever specific sort of service you work in. So there's a couple of hot tips for you. Another couple of great tips is backlinks. You want to make sure that you're building business profiles. So whether you are setting up a Google My Business page, whether it's a Yelp page, Thomson Local page, if you are in the building trade, you want to sort of make sure that your business has profiles on relevant sort of building industry bodies and things like that. Just leave a link, a website link, a HTTPS website address on your business profile, that's going to be a backlink for you, okay? The more good quality backlinks that you have with trusted websites like Checkatrade, Bark.com, Yale, all those kind of things, that's going to really improve the traffic flow to your business as well. Make sure you've got links to your social media sites. That's going to actually feed each other. So your social media will feed your website will feed your social media. So you want to link those two together to make sure that you are really sort of maximizing as much traffic as you can for your website. Ultimately, you want your website to be delivering for your business, okay? Whether that is generating new leads, just generating exposure out in the marketplace for the service area that you cover. Maybe you just want it there for branding. You want to make sure that it's doing the job behind the scenes. Those few tips are going to really help to get your website pushed.